Welcome back to the channel, everybody. Today we're gonna be cooking French toast. Now, Tesla Diner have French toast. I wanted to copy it, but unfortunately, I live in the Bay Area, and they all the way in Hollywood. Spoiler alert: they are coming to Bay Areas. Shh. Now, this didn't have a lot of calories. I'm losing weight. My arms are getting better. My cheek is getting reduced. And we're gonna go with French toast. For the list of ingredients, we're gonna need a prosciutto. I have a homemade here. Salt, cinnamon, sugar. I have sugar-free syrup. If you prefer sweet, go with regular syrup. But I'm still on a diet, so I'll go for sugar-free. 4 large eggs, a cup and a half milk. If you trying to lose weight as well, you can switch to almond. 3 tablespoons of butter, but I brought a whole entire stick just in case I need it because we're going to be using it for toast. Also 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract or 2 if you require. So do it for added to taste. Try not to overdo it. Now, if you try to build muscles and you want to make it a lot better, I remove the milk. I put almond milk and I put protein powder instead, and I can just cook it like that instead. You're gonna have an extra amount of protein. It's not a whole lot. For 1 slice, you might get 5 extra. So we're gonna do this one, and we're also gonna cook the other one as well. So let's kick this off. And we're gonna start off with the bread. Now we need 1 inch. I don't have a measurement with me, but I know for a fact 1 inch is about this big, this big, yeah. So I'll say, I'm just gonna cut somewhere right here. 2, 3, 4. All right, store these for later. So you need 1 more. Okay, there we go. Ooh, now we make the batter. We're gonna need the milk, eggs, if you like me, I still open the eggs like normal. I don't do anything special. Leave it in the comment if you guys know how to make this a lot faster and better. All right. Now we're gonna add our sugar, salt, and cinnamon. Cinnamon in, salt in, sugar in. Now I have my vanilla right here. I'm gonna eyeball it. That should be more than enough. It's already reacting. Now go ahead and mix it up and take your time at it. I kind of prefer a bigger bowl because I can mix it a lot faster and better. Let's go ahead and do that so we can speed it up a lot faster. Show you guys innovation on the fly. Called a little mixer. A big old bowl. Sorry guys, I'm actually sick. My nose is a little runny. You guys can't tell on the camera. It smells very good. It reminds me of eggnog. We're gonna dip it for 20-30 seconds, and we're gonna drip off the excess. Now, if you have a thicker bread or you cut it a lot bigger, Soak it for a little longer, but make sure you don't make it soggy. You do not want this thing to be soggy. Now let's go ahead and soak it. So 20 seconds on one side, and then we're gonna flip. And I'm gonna ask my assistant Siri. Hey Siri. Apparently Siri's sleeping. Hey Siri. Start a 1 minute countdown timer. All right, 1 is done. 2. Now I can leave this the way it is, and I can literally just dump protein powder in it and stir it again and then just use it. But if you want to lose weight, you want to use almond milk instead of regular milk. If you're gonna use something like this, remember this one have vanilla cream, and I put vanilla extract in it, so it's gonna be very excessive when it comes to vanilla flavor. So for this instant, this might not be a good idea to add to this right now because there's a vanilla flavor. This might not be a good idea since there's already a vanilla flavor. So instead, I have something else. This is not product sponsor, so I won't be able to show it to you guys exactly what it is, but you can tell exactly what it is. This will have no flavor. And we're gonna use 1 scoop and 2 scoops. Unfortunately, we're not gonna get the whole entire protein that we just dumped in on the bread, but you're gonna get some. The reason why no one really does this in a way, but sometimes we want to hit our macros and you want to enjoy the journey. Right now, I want to enjoy the journey. I fast for like 4 days straight, ate 1 meal a day, 1,200 calories. I'm starving. I'm gonna enjoy this. Heck, I'm gonna add more protein, and this is a form of peanut butter in this powder. Also, no calories, but a whole lot of protein. Ooh. Now this is gonna take a little while because it's a lot of powder. I'm curious how the taste is. Oh yeah, you guys are missing out. I think the peanut is just a little strong for my liking. I might skip it next time. But we're gonna toast it. We're gonna have some toasted peanut. So let's wait for the result. All right, I soaked this for way too long, but I know this will hold majority of the flavor. But it's okay since we made the liquid a little more thicker, so it's gonna take a while for it to soak anyway. Even when I'm switching it right now, there's barely any liquid coming off of it. Matter of fact, let me put it back in. So go for 30 seconds on this instead, since we have a lot of powder. All right, I'm gonna soak the other one. This is gonna be my favorite Sunday snack. And I have a batter that I'm gonna put inside the freezer, and I'm gonna leave it until next Sunday. All right, we're gonna cook it to medium only, and cook it for 2 to 4 minutes. Now you want this thing to be golden brown from underneath. Let's get cooking. As we stated last time, clean after yourself. Very, very important. I'm seeing less of it while I'm in the kitchen a lot more. So I do appreciate whoever is listening. You guys are the best. All right. Both entrees are done. On the left, we have the peanut butter. On the right, we have the original. Put some walnut. splash of sugar. Try not to add as much. But for texture, it looks really, really good. And now for syrup. Now I only have for one serving, so I'm gonna share with both because we already put a lot of sugar. Let's just save some calories. This thing's not sugar free, by the way, or 0 calories. There's some calories and there's some sugar too. And now some almond milk, some coffee, and your choice of protein powder. I'm gonna enjoy this. Now let's give this a taste test and see how well this thing is. You want some, boy? Come here. Now, as I suspect, the protein version is not as sweet. I barely taste any sugar in it. I do really like it. It's to my liking a lot more. But it's missing that sweet. But I still like it. This is really good. You're gonna get your protein in. At the same time, you have something sweet to go along with it. Now, this is the sweet version. It tends to represent what Tesla diner tend to have. But like I said, I don't have the recipe for them. Neither I could share it. So if I don't have it, I won't be able to share it anyway. But apparently somebody just came in and visited and said something suspicious. Anyways, let's taste this sweet virgin variant of it. The bread is a lot more softer compared to that. I think the protein batter made it a bit more heavier, so it becomes a bit more dull. I might enjoy this a bit more. Sorry, I also have a sweet tooth. The reason why I have to control my habit so I can lose weight. But what do you guys think? I'm getting a little leaner now. Right. And I'm enjoying some sweet. This is exactly how you're supposed to enjoy your sweet. You're not supposed to have it every day. Once a week, reward yourself for all the hard work you've been doing. It goes a long way. Now, if you guys like this kind of content, go ahead and subscribe. Let your family and friends know about the show. I know back then I never really used to include the recipes, but now I do. It makes it a lot easier. I have a little more time to add them. But if you prefer recipes only without all this excessive talk, I do have a separate show just for that. I'm gonna link in the description below. But if you can't find it, go ahead and comment and give you the exact link so you can be able to get the recipes and you can watch as well. If you have a contraption like mine, I'm in the kitchen and I have 2 monitors right in front of me. Sometimes my eyes go to the wrong direction sometimes. I do watch other creators on the monitors. Just an FYI. Great way to pass the time. Anyways, I'll see you guys next month. Be patient. I'm going to record more. I'm going to have a weekly. But for now, I'm just going to do monthly. I need to catch up on my bills and creating content as well. And sorry for this excessive short. It's literally this, but expand for a whole month. I'm really sorry, but I just don't have time to make the shows at the moment. And I don't have weekly shows. So I decided to do this instead. I don't know if it's going to work once a week. So I decided to just do it the whole month. I'm really sorry. Apologies. I'll see you guys next month. Come on, boy. Come on, girl. Let's go eat some sweet. Come on, let's go.